I would consider, autonomous machines that kind of just, yeah, I would consider a 3D printer or a CNC a robot, basically. Something that cuts metal, in a machine shop. I consider those robots too, basically.
So at what point do we get in time where a home can be built entirely by robots or a combination of robots and 3D printers? When does something like this really take over in pop culture? Because we do have a housing crisis in the United States, a lot of parts of the world. So much of it is because the labor, the production of a house really isn't much different than it was 100 years ago, other than the cost for the labor.
I'm still betting on the human framers, basically, at this point in time. Again, maybe my humanoid robots will be able to frame a house as fast as humans. But for now, when I still see those 3D printing robots printing like houses and structures, it takes a significant amount of engineering to actually, get that 3D model and then print it out with whatever material that's available. Basically, by the time most of those 3D printed houses are made, a small crew of men with enough 2x4s and enough wood could frame a house a lot faster, basically. So I'm still sort of skittish on the 3D printing stuff, basically.